Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make multiple bookmarks in your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now click on this home option and left sidebar. Here you will find this bookmark option. Also this is bookmark option. Now display your page or text you want to bookmark, and I will bookmark this page. Now click on this plus bookmark option, new bookmark. Now rename your bookmark name. I'll make it yes, and go in here and click on this bookmark option and see this bookmark now working. And also I'll bookmark this text. Drag your mouse cursor and select your text and see this bookmark option. Click here and see this text also bookmark. Click on this. Also you can rename it. You can say as bookmark name, and I'll make this image as a bookmark. Click on this image and click right button on your mouse and see this bookmark option. Yes, and see this. In this way you can make multiple bookmarks or as many as bookmark you want, you can create. And finally select this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.